Have you ever heard of cryptocurrency and wondered, what is it, and how does it work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike regular money, it doesn't come in coins or bills. Instead, it exists only online and can be used for buying things, just like cash. How does it work? Cryptocurrency works through a network of computers using something called blockchain technology. Every transaction is recorded on this digital ledger, making it secure and transparent. Hold ones. Why is it special? Unlike traditional currencies that are controlled by governments or banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means no single authority controls them, it's all peer-to-peer. Popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. But there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, each with its own unique features. How to get cryptocurrency? You can buy cryptocurrency through exchanges using regular money. You store it in a digital wallet and can use it for transactions, investing, or trading. Benefits and risks. Cryptocurrency offers benefits like privacy and fast global transactions, but it's also risky. Prices can change quickly, and if you lose your digital wallet, your crypto is gone for good. So, whether you're curious or ready to invest, understanding cryptocurrency is the first step. Want to learn more? Comment below.